This beautiful country estate is for sale. Located in Dorchester, England. It offers 9 bedrooms and 6 bathrooms. This historic Dorset country estate centres on a substantial period house with medieval origins. The property retains extensive period features, including timber panelling, original fireplaces, ornate chimney pieces, an oriel window, and a historic reception hall. The estate includes beautifully landscaped gardens, featuring formal terraces, a knot garden, kitchen garden, greenhouses, summer house, Lime Avenue, and a Grade II listed 18th century stone bridge crossing the Devil's Brook. The wider estate extends to approximately 354 acres, comprising around 174 acres of arable land, 105 acres of pasture and downland, and 75 acres of woodland. A separate Grade II listed dower house provides 4 bedrooms, 3 reception rooms, kitchen and additional accommodation, although it is currently used as offices and requires modernisation. The estate also includes a pair of semi-detached cottages and a range of additional buildings. The asking price of this beautiful country estate is £8,750,000. For more information, see the property listing in the description below. Thank you for watching.